4cc, just motos. Alright guys, that's so weird. I think I cracked the code on the flashing frame rate of the display. On the GoPro, it didn't matter what frame rate I used. If it's 24, 30, or 60, it didn't matter. But I turned the display on, turned my camera on. And then I turned my camera off and turn it right back on, and the frame rate starts to flicker and then stops flickering. So I don't know why that is, but all right, that might be the magic key to that.